Good morning, Danny gang. Welcome back to our channel. So y'all, today, judging by the title, you already know we're about to do another what I eat in a freaking day. If y'all are tired of these, let me know down below in the comments and I'll stop doing them. But I like doing them. Y'all like watching them. So we're doing another what I eat in a day, but we're doing it with the Atkins meals. So we're gonna do the Atkins edition. So right now it is currently 5:24. I already got up and did an early morning workout. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I've been waking up at 4 a.m. this week and I've been getting in a workout before I start my day. So yeah, I'm currently in the car and I'm waiting for my bus to pull up because y'all know I commute to work. But I wanted to come and open the vlog because sometimes when I try to open the vlog at work, it be getting a little hectic because people be trying to talk to your girl. So yeah, I'm about to get on this bus, commute to work, and then I'll see you when it's time to eat. All right, gang, so I made it into work, so I'm going to show you guys what we're going to have. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is right after I let it cook for an additional minute and 30 seconds. And as you can see, it's super cheesy, super gooey, and full of bacon. Period. Alright gang, so yeah, y'all saw me make my breakfast bowl in the previous clip, but before I go back to my desk, I wanted to duck off into one of these rooms, taste it for you guys, and let you guys know what I think. So I am about to eat one of these Atkins meals. I've ate these on my channel before, but like I said, today we are going to be doing a full day of Atkins eating. So this is the bacon scramble, and it has cheese, eggs, bacon and onion, and it has 5 carbs. It has 6 altogether, 1 dietary fiber, so that leaves us with 5, and it's a low carb living meal. So just by the way it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off, and I did include some close-ups of it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like again. So this is what it looks like, y'all. I added some salt and pepper. So, y'all, smells really good. Y'all know I'm not a fan of eggs, but smells good, looks good. This meal was about $3. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be having for breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. So I'm gonna get some egg, I'm gonna get some bacon, I'm gonna get some cheese. Y'all know I'm not a fan, so yeah, this is what I'm gonna taste. So the quality is really good. And again, I'm sorry I'm whispering, I'm at work, y'all already know how I go, but I want to make these videos happen for y'all, so I'm willing to do whatever. So yeah, it's really tasty, really cheesy. There's a lot of bacon, and it looks like it'll be very filling. So once I eat this, it's 8:20. So once I eat this, I should be full till at least 12:30. And then I'm gonna have some water with this. I already got water at my desk, but yeah, so this is what I'm eating for breakfast. An Atkins egg and bacon and cheese and onion scramble bowl. It's really good, actually. It's really good. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back to my desk, finish my breakfast, and then I'll see you guys whenever I eat a snack or eat lunch. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip. Breakfast. Alright gang, so it's lunchtime and we're headed back into the break room to continue eating our Atkins meals. I've had this one before, but I don't think I've ever shared it with you guys, so let's go see. So yeah guys, this is the one I'm gonna eat. As you can see, it has 6 grams of carbs, so 6. We're at 11 carbs today. y'all. The beloved espresso machine is out of service. Okay, so this is a finishing product. I put some salt and pepper on it, and yeah, it is just really smelling good. As you guys can see, they do give a lot of broccoli, and if you know me, you know my favorite. It's steaming up. If you know me, you know my favorite freaking vegetable is broccoli. So that's why I think I really like this meal, is because it comes with so much broccoli. It's so flavorful, and you get a lot of beef. So yeah, now I'm just stirring up my salt and pepper, and as you can see, I used 2 packs of pepper and 1 pack of salt. Hey guys, so it's time for a freaking dinner, and if you notice, I am still at work. I had to work late today, so yeah, that's why we're still here. But yeah, I'm doing the Mongolian style beef with cauliflower rice. As you can see, this one has 7 carbs, and I'm just gonna flip it over so you can see the macros. So 10 carbs, 3 dietary fibers, 3 sugars. So if you look at that, gives us 7 net carbs. Y'all, I have had this one before, and it is so freaking good. It's freaking licious. So yeah, I went ahead and I cooked it for the initial 3 minutes, and now I'm just stirring it up for another minute and 30 seconds, because that's typically how these meals work. And yeah, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to it. As you see here, I'm adding my pepper and I'm adding my salt, and then we're gonna dig in. Y'all, hands down, popping. I love this. Alright guys, so I'm about to go ahead and end the vlog, but you guys saw what I had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and now I am about to have dessert. So I was in Walmart and I found these 1 net carb, 1 gram of sugar, 150 calorie packets of peanut M&Ms. Y'all, if you know me, you know I love peanut M&Ms. Like, remember the other vlog, I was buying peanut M&Ms because they're my weakness. So yeah, let me show y'all the macros. I'm excited. So these are the macros. So there are 18 carbs, and there are 2 dietary fibers, but there are 15 grams of sugar alcohols. So if you don't know how to count carbs, Atkins actually has it down here. So total net carbs 18, minus 2 for the fiber, and then minus 15 for the sugar alcohol, which means each pack of M&Ms is 1 freaking gram, y'all. 1 gram. So we lit. I've never seen these before. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a pack. So this is what the pack looks like, and you can eat the whole pack for 1 net carb. As you can see, serving size, 1 pack. There are 5 packs in here. So yeah, let's open them up, and I'm gonna tell you guys how they taste. I'm on my bed so you guys can see them. So they look like peanut M&Ms. They really do. This is what they look like, and let me taste one. Let me turn the camera around. All right, y'all. Y'all know I'm in my night clothes and everything. Also, y'all gonna see that my nail color changed when I got off work. I went to the nail shop and I got this hunter green. So that's why my nail color changed. Because I know somebody gonna notice it. So, I gotta be honest. They're good. Do they taste like peanut M&Ms? A little bit. But they're crunchy. They got the peanut. They got the chocolate taste. They definitely will do the trick if you're craving like some M&Ms or if you're craving some chocolate. And I mean, you can eat this whole pack for one gram of carbs. So overall, today was an amazing day. I actually have to say that everything I ate today was good. The Atkins meals are bomb. And I just loved everything. My favorite thing that I ate today was dinner, which was the cauliflower rice, the beef, and the bell peppers. Really good. That was my favorite thing I ate, but breakfast was good, lunch was good, and dessert is good. So yeah, I actually enjoyed doing this. If you guys want to see me do like more videos where I just eat one brand the whole day, keto, let me know. So if you guys have busy lives, or are in a rush, or don't like to cook, don't know how to cook, I'm not saying these are the best options. M&MS trying to take me out. I'm not saying frozen meals are the best option, but if you're just starting out or you're on the go or whatever, as you can see, I did it and I stayed under 20 grams of carbs and I'm full. Like, I'm super full. Let me know down below what looked the best to you. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, but you actually get a lot of these, so I may just eat 2 or 3 more and then fold them up. But anyway, guys, I really loved filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and leave this rainbow of hearts down below that you see on the screen. And yeah, I'm gone. Happy Friday, because when you're seeing this video, it's Friday. So happy freaking Friday. Have a good, safe weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave the rainbow on the screen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Reporting live from the internet. Signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces.